U.S. stocks in the red this Friday morning as the markets continue to worry about ongoing U.S.-China trade negotiations. The Wall Street Journal reporting that both countries have not yet put together a draft on the matters that they both agree or disagree upon. This report coming as a key early March deadline approaches. It also follows President Donald Trump saying that he will not meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping before that deadline. Now over in the Forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That's capped by a negative trend line. And in focus, the relative strength index bearish and calling for further downside. The pair capped by a declining trend line in place since February's top. Short positions below 113.45 are favored with targets at 113.20 and 113 in extension. The British pound US dollar pair, that sees a continuation of the rebound while the dollar yen sees consolidation. Now the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees a rebound towards 34.16. The pivot point for trading central standing at 33.34, while in precious metals, gold sees a continuation of the rebound, and that's in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calling for further upside. Prices breaking above a bearish channel resistance. Long positions above 13.08 are favored with targets at 13.14 and 13.17 in extension, while silver, that's turning up. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the New York Stock Exchange on this, a Friday morning, I'm James Swinney.